It feels like someone else's life.
I feel like I'm living someone else's life.
You're living someone else's life that doesn't belong to you.
Why does he need a psychologist?
For therapists, psychologists, psychiatrists.
There is nothing wrong with you medically, physiologically, that is.
Congratulations. You're normal.
You're normal, and there is nothing wrong with you, okay?
You choose to eliminate someone else's life in order to fulfill your own.
And discover your true nature.
I know your true nature. It's strong.
You have the power to make anything you want happen.
Because with all your power, you don't have the power to stop.
It's like magic.